Welcome back to linear algebra. Let's jump into Anki. What is an ordered n tuple called if n equals 2? An ordered double? No, an ordered pair. N equals 3, ordered triple. Good. All right. All right. What do we got? We're going to grade my work from yesterday, and then I'll be back after that to recall, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, how do we do? So for the 3 paragraphs I made for the proof, it was valid. ChatGPT basically offered a way to write a proof in like 5 lines. So succinct, no. Valid, yes. Considering it's my 4th proof ever, I'll say, we'll take it for now. I'm just going for valid at this point. I'm not trying to write elegant proofs. I'm trying to write proofs. And so far we're 4 for 4 for valid proofs. So we'll get better. We'll get more succinct over time. But yeah, true or false, we got all of them right except for the last one. The last one was basically the sum of 2 invertible matrices is invertible. That's not necessarily true. That's false. I put down true. I had it confused. What's actually true is the product of 2. So if you take 2 invertible matrices or 2 or more, multiply them together, then the sum, the product is invertible. So, yep, I'm gonna jump back in now and do more practice problems. So I'll be back in a bit to recall. All right. So one of these questions, these are the working with technology questions. First one is basically like we have a matrix to a variable, and it's saying as that variable approaches infinity, what happens to the behavior of that matrix. Basically, what I found through using MATLAB, but just increasing the integer value in the exponent of the matrix. Basically, all the entries in A get smaller and approach 0. So A basically approaches 0. And then this T3 is all about Fibonacci sequences, which I'm just not understanding how to do. So about what a Fibonacci sequence is, commonly denoted F0, F1, F2, etc. After the initial terms F0 and F1, each term is the sum of the previous 2, that is Fn equals Fn minus 1 plus Fn plus minus 2. I get all that. But then it says confirm that if we got a matrix Q that equals it equals basically a 2x2 matrix going F2, F1, F1, F0 equals 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Confirm that Q to the N equals Fn plus 1, Fn, Fn, F0, but F0 is 0. That's what I don't understand, and that's not the case. Row 2, column 2. This is not, I don't know. I'll have to check Quizlet for that one tomorrow. So that's it for today. I will talk to you later. See ya.